In this video, I will be explaining the fractional exponent law. So the fractional exponent law says that the numerator is the power and the denominator is the root. So we all know what a power looks like. A power would be something like 4 squared, which is 16. But what if we say that 4, that is a fractional exponent. So here we have 16 to the power of 1 over 2. Now it's very simple actually. So the numerator is the 1 here, so that is the power. And the denominator, the 2, that goes here. So make sure you make the root sign, the 16 in it, and then to the power of 1, but square rooted. Now, this is not a takeaway sign, this is just me trying to... So now what we want to do is we want to take 16 to the power of 1, which is just 16. Now we want to square root it. 16 square rooted equals 4. It's a very simple process, but now we have here 64 to the power of 1 over 3. Now let's write that out here. Our numerator, 3. 64 is, our numerator is 1. So 64 to the power of 1. Now, since it's a 3, we're going to cube root it. So the 3 goes right here. 64 to the power of 1 equals 64. Now, now 64 cubed equals, I should have checked this. 64 cubed, I believe it's 4. And it's very simple, very, very simple. Now, I like to just remember that when you have a power to 1 over 2, it's just square root the number. If you have it to the power of 1 over 3, just cube root it, and so on and so forth. So if it's 1 over 4, you just 4th root it. If 1 over 5, just 5th root it. I think I'm saying that wrong, but anyways. So what if we come over here? Our numerator is bigger than our denominator. That doesn't really, that's not a huge deal. We still write it out the same. So the root sign, 9, our numerator, 3, 9 to the power of 3, and we're going to square root it. Now it's worth mentioning that I don't actually have to put that 2 here, because since it's just a square root, it doesn't need to should be shown. But it's, neither here nor there. So 9 to the power of 3 equals 7 to 9, I believe. And then we come over here, 7 to 9, cube rooted equals 27. Very simple stuff. It's actually quite fun to try and figure out. But yeah, no, that's it.